Global, one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of high-quality paint spray booths. Introducing Truck and Bus Paint Booth, designed for large-scale automotive refinishing. With a spacious size of 17 meters in length, 5.5 meters in width, and 5 meters in height, it accommodates even the largest vehicles. Equipped with 3 powerful 7.5 kilowatt inlet blowers and 4 5.5 kilowatt outlet blowers for optimal airflow. Choose Global for precision, quality and reliability in every paint job. Contact us today. Global Manufacturers, Sri Bhagavati Industries, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India.